Hello, beautiful souls. Leo M here from Health Spiffy, your go-to destination for all things health and wellness. Today, we're tackling a common skincare concern that many of us face: oily skin. But fear not, because I've got a natural remedy up my sleeve. Get ready to bid farewell to excess oil with just two simple ingredients: turmeric and aloe vera gel. Combating oily skin naturally. If you've been on the quest for the perfect solution to oily skin, you're in the right place. Oily skin can be a challenge, causing shine, enlarged pores, and sometimes even acne. But worry not, because the power of nature is here to rescue us. Understanding oily skin. Before we jump into the remedy, let's quickly understand oily skin. Our skin produces oil, known as sebum, to keep itself moisturized. However, an excess of sebum can lead to that undesirable shine. Oily skin is often genetic, but factors like humidity, hormonal changes, and certain products can exacerbate it. The turmeric and aloe vera solution. Now, let's talk about our dynamic duo, turmeric and aloe vera gel. These ingredients aren't just culinary delights or decorative plants. They are potent allies in our quest for balanced, radiant skin. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, while aloe vera gel soothes, hydrates, and has a cooling effect. Benefits of turmeric for the skin. Turmeric has been a skincare staple for centuries. Its active compound, curcumin, is a powerhouse. It helps regulate sebum production, reduces inflammation, and fights acne-causing bacteria. Imagine it as a superhero, combating excess oil and leaving your skin looking fresh and rejuvenated. Aloe vera gel, nature's moisturizer. Aloe vera gel, extracted from the leaves of the aloe vera plant, is a natural moisturizer. It hydrates the skin without making it greasy, making it ideal for oily skin. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants, aloe vera gel also promotes healing and soothes irritated skin. Crafting the oily skin remedy? Now, let's get hands-on with our remedy. All you need is 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. It's simple, it's natural, and it's a spa-like treat for your skin in the comfort of your own home. Step 1: DIY oily skin remedy. Step 1. In a small bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of turmeric with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Mix it well until you get a smooth, consistent paste. Step 2: Application. Step 2. Using clean fingertips or a brush, apply the paste to your cleansed face. Focus on areas prone to excess oil, avoiding the eye area. Step 3: Relax and reap the benefits. Step 3. Now comes the best part. Relax. Leave the mask on for about 15-20 minutes. Use this time to unwind, read a book, or simply enjoy some self-care. Step 4: Rinse off. Step 4. After the designated time, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry with a clean towel, and voila! Your skin will thank you. Frequency and caution. Before you rush to try this remedy every day, remember that moderation is key. Aim for once or twice a week to let your skin reap the benefits without any potential irritation. Also, do a patch test if you have sensitive skin or any allergies. Additional tips for oily skin. While our turmeric and aloe vera remedy works wonders, here are a few additional tips for managing oily skin. 1. Use a gentle, oil-free cleanser. 2. Opt for non-comedogenic moisturizers. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps balance skin hydration. 4. Include a salicylic acid-based product in your routine for its oil-regulating properties. Conclusion. As we wrap up this journey to combat oily skin naturally, remember that your skin is unique. What works for one may not work for another, so it's essential to listen to your skin's needs. If you found this remedy helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Health Spiffy for more skincare insights, and hit the notification bell. Share your skincare journey in the comments. Let's build a community of radiant, confident individuals. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay spiffy.